Hello students, this is Archana Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine, beta. In today's class, we are going to discuss question and answer from the chapter number 8 in our civics classes. Okay, beta. So, chapter number 8. Okay, and our chapter number 8 is rural livelihood. Okay, chapter is rural livelihood. And in this chapter, our first exercise question is yes, beta. So our first question is, you have probably noticed that people in Kalpattu are engaged in a variety of non-farm work. List 5 of these. So beta, in this chapter we were discussed about Kalpattu village. Okay, so now here is our answer. Now here is question number 1. You have probably noticed that in Kalpattu are you have probably noticed that people in Kalpattu are engaged in a variety of non-farm work, and here we have to list 5 of these. Okay, so हमें मेंशन करना है ऐसे वर्क्स को जो कि नॉन फार्मिंग वर्क्स हों. ओके, एंड जिनको कि कलपट्टू विलेज के लोग करते हों. सो हियर इज 5 वर्क्स. Work list are first repairing cycle. Okay, repairing cycle. So repairing cycle is also a non-farming work, and the second work is weaving. Okay, कपड़ों की बुनाई करना is also non-farming work, and the next is washing clothes. Okay, washing clothes Washing clothes is also a non-farming work. And then fourth, teaching. Teaching also a non-farming work. And beta, next is making basket. Making basket. Utensils, pots and bricks and etc. Okay, so these are the non-farming works done by Kalpatu villagers. Okay, first work is repairing cycles, second weaving, third washing clothes, and fourth teaching, and the last making baskets, utensils and pots, bricks. Okay, so baskets banana, pots banana and ईंटों को बनाना is also a non-farming work. Okay, beta, now you can take a screenshot of question answer first. Then after we will discuss about the second question. Okay beta, so now let's move to the next question. Okay, and now our next question is list the different type of people you read about in Kalpattu who depends on farming and who is the poorest among them and why. Okay, list different type of people. So हमें ऐसे लोगों का लिस्ट बनाना है जो कि डिपेंड हो फार्मिंग पे एंड हु इज द पुअरेस्ट अमंग देम एंड वाई. एंड इनमें से जो कौन ऐसा पर्सन है जो कि पुअरेस्ट है एंड वो पुअर क्यों है एंड हियर हमें रीजन भी मेंशन करना है. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज हियर लिस्ट the different type of people you read about in Kalpattu who depends on farming, and who is the poorest among them and why. ओके, सो इनमें से कौन सबसे ज्यादा पुअर था एंड why that person is poorest. Okay, and here is our answer of question number 2. Okay beta, so here is our answer. Three people are depends on farming on farming in Kalpattu village. Okay, in Kalpattu village okay, and the name of that person are Tulsi. First member is Tulsi, second is Shekhar, and third is Ramalingam. Okay, third person name is Ramalingam. Okay, third person name is Ramalingam. Now, clear beta? So, I hope you all done. Now I remove the question. And then after Tulsi is the poorest. Tulsi is the poorest among them. Okay, so सबसे ज्यादा पुअर कौन था इन तीनों में से? तुलसी. Okay, so Tulsi is the poorest among them, and it is because she has no land. It is because she has no land of her own. Okay, so Tulsi जो सबसे ज़्यादा पुअर थी because she has no land. Okay, उसके पास अपना खुद का कोई भी फार्मिंग लैंड नहीं था, and she was dependent on Ramalingam. Okay, clear beta? So that is the main reason, and now she works on Ramalingam. She works on Ramalingam field and earn only 40 rupees per day. Okay, per day. So she works on Ramalingam field. Tulsi works on Ramalingam field, and उसके एवज में उसको क्या मिलता था? She earned only 40 rupees. Okay, उसको सिर्फ 40 rupees मिलता था per day. Okay, and wait a second, and she is not satisfied with her bags, yet she continuous work in Ramalingam's field. Because of the fact that she can depends on him, because of the fact that she can depend on him. Okay, so that is your answer now completed. Tulsi is the poorest among them. It is because she has no land of her own. तुलसी के पास उसका खुद का लैंड, फार्मिंग लैंड नहीं होता है, and she works on Ramalingam field, and Tulsi work on Ramalingam field, and Ramalingam give him only 40 rupees per day. She is not satisfied with her rates, and yet she continues work in Ramalingam fields because of the fact that she can depend on him. Okay, now your answer is completed. You can take a screenshot, beta. Now answer is completed, and take a screenshot. Okay, now we are moving to the next question, the question number 3. Okay, the question number 3 is, imagine you are a member of a fishing family and you are discussing whether to take a loan for the bank for an engine. What would you say? Okay, so third question is that, and now here is answer of question number 3. Okay, so here is the answer. I would say that it is better to take a loan from bank for this purpose than to go to money lender, money lender. Okay, so many lender wait a second. Money lender usually charge high rate of interest. Okay, interest which pushes the okay, so now your answer is completed. Okay beta, so I would say that it is better to take a loan from bank for this purpose than to go to money lender. So अगर हमें लोन होगा, अगर हमें नीड होगी पैसे की, तो हम ये हमारे लिए बेटर ऑप्शन है कि हम ये लोन बैंक से लें, बिकॉज जो मनी लेंडर होता है यूजुअली चार्ज हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. मनी लेंडर क्या करते हैं, इंटरेस्ट को जो है वो हाई रेट पे देते हैं. ओके, सो बैंक इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. क्लियर बेटा? सो नाउ यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. योर आंसर इज कंप्लीटेड. Okay, I hope you all done. Okay, so now we done. Now today our class is over. We will continue our question answer in our next classes. Okay, so thank you class.